my learned press media. Thank you this evening for coming over here. And as you are here with our respectable colleagues, Honorable Chairman, ODC, TCM, MDC, President, other colleagues, and Youth Federation President. We thank all of you, we welcome you, and today we are here with a serious matter which has been created by the state government, confusing the rural areas, trying to blindfold us in an excuse point of inclusion of 22,000 new voters. So far, in more than 1 year time, they have been able to do only 5,000. So out of 22,000, do they mean to tell the state's voters population that for all 22,000, they will need 3 years more? And by and by, their aim and object is very clear: to avoid the village development. Unless and until the village development committee is constitutionally formed, it is difficult for the village people to have some development work. Today, I'm with my honorable colleagues here. We are really sorry to say that the ruling, both central and state government, have displayed their ill will to rural villages in Tripura by pushing away its due time of 1 year back, and today going to be more than 1 year. And this is truly we want to highlight and display in our state. Even the common people should understand the policy of the ruling government, both BJP and IPFT. They have not given any regards. They have not respected the constitution. After even 2 times High Court indicated that they should hold a village committee election. One after another. We don't understand why they are justifying their denial of the development of the state. They are able to do municipality, township, and other municipality bodies over the state, but they are denying the most rural, untouched, undeveloped areas out of election of the village committee. The village committee is the constitutional bodies which is responsible to extend development works through government programs. And today, this Motha party, we are here to tell the people of Tripura, are you happy? Are we happy with the ruling intention of denying the rights of people to have development work through village community? And we are here respecting our Honorable Chairman, Chobani, who had guided us and told us about his pain about his mindset also, that we should come together more and more unitedly. Therefore, Tipra Motha is strongly condemning the process of the state government by denying the rights of the people. In these circumstances, this a token of our stand and our future development. Tipra Motha will be organizing in all the district or sub-divisional magistrate's office on 19th of this month as a protest against the decision of the state government. So this is one. Number two, on 5th of November, we are making a grand gathering here in stable ground on 5th November, at least 1.5 lakhs supporters, workers of Tipra Motha will gather here, and we will tell the central and the state government, your role in connection with the development of the state is very negative. So today we are here in short time, and we will hand over to our Deputy CM and our lead section, our Honorable Chairman, ADC, and our Honorable President Women, those who will come here. And we take our time so that we can brief our stand very clearly. So we are very unhappy. And we expected that the state government at least should give the minimum respect of the judiciary after the full bench, division bench have given its opinion also. Again they went into court, extending another 15 days, something like that. And today they have cleared that they will not hold village committee elections before state election, state legislative assembly election. Which happened earlier, we remember it, and they will have to harvest their this honesty, and the people of the state will give them the feedback of their work, their decisions. So today, as a president of Tipra Motha, I appeal on electronic print medias for the continual support in the way of highlighting our persons, our decisions in the interest of the state. So today also, I appeal to all of you to take the same stand. It's not that we are appealing to be in favor of us, but I will appeal each one of you in the interest of the villages, the rural areas, that at least the magnificent veterans of the development through blocks of district or subdivision, the development will be increased, but without this village committee bodies, who is going to do it? Whatsoever fund goes to the village, to the subdivision or block or district, all this money has been misused, and there is no accountability from the government side, and there is no law, rules. Everybody is doing in their own way. So this is our reaction to it. We are really very unhappy. So in protest of all these wrong decisions of the state government, on 19th of this month, we appeal to all our committees in the district, block, and local level, youth level, in all level of our organizational structure to organize a strong protest movement on 19th of this month. We want to fix from 11 to 3 p.m. because after dusk it is easy to return to their respective houses. So we consultation with our Honorable Chairman, Maharashtra Chobani, we feel that all these programs should be completed within 3 p.m. After 3, let us come and prevail the rules. Therefore, we have to honestly to all rank and file of our organizational structure in district level, block level, local booth level also to organize a smooth and very strong program. And for 5th of November, a grand mass gathering which we have planned to organize here in stable town Tisanai program. And we believe, even from the city of Agartala, all other sub-divisional headquarters, district headquarters,